function in the form of function power function, you should apply log on both sides. Here also you can observe question number 4, function power function. Here you should observe that, okay, 2 is basis, a power x, exponential function, but the power sine 2x is there, sine 2x. Okay, so here also it's better to take log on both sides. Here also function, power function, function, power function. X is a function. So here u, v, E formula, or else apply log on both sides. If you apply log on both sides, it will become easy. Okay, here function power function, logarithmic method. Function power function, log method. Here function over power function, logarithmic method. Sine inverse root x, we can do directly. Here no need to apply logarithmic. Okay. Even if you take log, also log of sine inverse root x, we cannot write anything. We can do directly here differentiation. Here function power function apply. Here no need to apply logarithmic on both sides. Just simply u by v formula, u by v. So 9th question also, we must take log on both sides. 11th also must take on logarithmic on both sides. Even 12th, 13th, 14th, if you see all the questions, all these cases we can apply log on both sides. Okay, we should apply logarithmic. So this is the logarithmic differentiation. Here also u, v, E, again product of 4 different functions. Again, we cannot do directly differentiation, apply log on both sides. Here also product of 2 quadratic and cubic functions. Question number 17. Product of, so apply log on both sides. And this method we can do in 3 ways. One is a UV formula, product rule. One is multiply both. Multiply means expanding the product in single polynomial. Multiply these two, we'll get a single polynomial, you can differentiate. Third method is logarithmic differentiation. See here, to find the derivative of this product of functions, how many methods are there? We can do in 3 ways. One is product rule, one is expanding product of single polynomial, one is logarithmic differentiation. Anyhow, we'll solve all the problems. Okay, we'll do very well, like step by step. I can explain you very clearly. Okay, this exercise, which just belongs to logarithmic. Okay. I look at the given question itself, we have to say that whether we can apply logarithmic differentiation or else substitution method or else product rule or division rule, like that. You can able to know that. Okay, fine, students. So before doing this 5.5, because in 5.5 nearly how many questions are there? 18 questions are there. Instead of this, all students will do this 5.4. 5.4 also, look at here. For B1, B2 say student, here, if I take y is equal to this function, we can use u by v formula. Quotient rule, u is e power x, sin x is v, fine. Here, chain rule, because x in place of x, sin inverse x is there. Actually, can anyone tell that what is the derivative of e power x?
E power x.
Yeah, actually e power x into chain rule. Here also actually we can apply chain rule. Okay, e exponential function derivative computed. Next, the derivative of x, d by dx of x power. So d by dx of x is clearly 1, so that we'll write like this. We'll write like this. Clear? So in the same way, e power sin inverse x also same chain rule. Like e power sin inverse x, e power sin inverse x. Again, the derivative of sin inverse x. Okay. So e power sin inverse x into sin inverse x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x squared. See here, inverse trigonometric function. The derivative of trigonometric, inverse trigonometrics are very, very important. So everyone can remember easily that derivative of trigonometric function. Sometimes some student might be confusing to remember sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Okay, okay, friends. Let us start now. 5th question. All students, you can Concentrate here. So I'm going to start fifth question directly. Okay. So here also same. Use chain rule. Using chain rule, like first you can differentiate log, next you can differentiate cos, next you can differentiate e power x. Okay. So I'm going to take here okay, method 2 we need to do for B1 B2 section. Start B2. 5.4. Question number 5. Let us consider the given function as y. Y is equal to log of cos of e power x. See students, already this kind of question we have done in second exercise. We applied like what we done in second exercise, we consider this e power x as u. So u is equal to e power x. We can consider this total cos of this value as v. V is equal to cos of e power x. E power x is u. So v is equal to cos of u. So cos of e power x. Actually, this cos of e power x I'm taking as v. V is equal to cos u. E power x value is u. Then this total value, then ys becomes log v. Already we have done in this method, but we no need to consider like e power x as u and cos of e power x as v, and finally y becomes log v. No need to. This is method 1. Already this kind method 1 we have done. So in method 2 we can do direct differentiation. So in method 1 what we have done, we find du by dx. Du by dx is e power x, which implies dv by du. dv by du value is cos u will be minus sin u. Then here dy by dv, we have done log v is 1 by v. That's it. After that, what is method 1? dy by dx can be written as dy by dv into dv by du into du by dx. Understood? This method we done. Just dv, dv, du cancel. We get again same dy by dx. So here substitute the value. Here it is 1 by v, dy by dv, and this is minus sin u, and du by dx is e power x. So at last you can substitute the v value. V value is clearly cos of e power x. You can take minus here outside, minus sin u nothing but e power x. Finally, e power x. This is the answer. This is the answer method 1. Like, but in I want to do directly here. Method 2. Method 2 also same chain rule only, but we differentiate directly without substituting, like without taking AU is equal to e power x like that. So y is equal to log of cos of e power x. Log of cos of e power x. Okay, students. Right now I want to differentiate. So let us take this is equation 1. Write the same to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Same. So left side it will becomes dy by dx. Right side is dy by dx of, not dy by dx, d by dx. d by dx of log cos e power x. Okay. Now see, apply chain rule actually. So d by dx of log will be what? Log. First we differentiate with the log function. Log becomes what?
1 by cos e power
1
x.
by cos e power x into d by dx of cos e power x. Am I right? Okay, I completed the derivative of log. Then after log, then cos. Okay, 1 by cos e power x into cos will be minus sine e power x into d by dx of same e power x. At last, the derivative of e power x. So I have completed derivative of log, derivative of cos, at last e power x. So this is called the chain rule. So finally, dy by dx is equal to minus sine e power x by, okay, sine e power x by cos e power x. Shall I write tan e power x into e power x is e power x. This is the answer. So in both the methods, we got the same answer. Am I right? Okay. Then for the remaining all the questions, we can go through like chain rule. If you have any doubts, you can ask. But sixth question, same till e power x to e power x to the power of 5. Is it clear, students? Like, let I'm taking given function as y e power x is e power x square plus so on. They given e power x to the power of 5, right? Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So left side is again clearly dy by dx. What about right side? Right side d by dx of e power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5. Now apply separately d by dx of e power x plus d by dx of e power x square plus d by dx of e power x cube plus d by dx of e power x power 4 plus d by dx of e power x power 5. Understood? Right. Now dy by dx is equal to e power x is e power x. E power x square is e power x square. Again d by dx of x square. You should write one step extra. So e power x cube is e power x. Again the derivative of x cube. Plus e power x power 4 is x power 4 d by dx of x power 4. Finally, e power x power 5 to d by dx of x power 5. So what about the finally d by dx? dy by dx becomes is equal to e power x. X square derivative is 2x. Yes, some x square is 2x into e power x square. Then 3x square into e power x cube. 4x cube into e power x power 4. 5x power 4 into e to the power of x power 5. Is that clear? Or any doubt? Very simple question. Take d by dx on both sides, then write it separately. Again, apply the chain rule. Since by chain rule. In the bracket, it's better to you can mention like this. By chain rule. That's it. So this is the required solution. Okay. Fine. So whatever the questions are given here, we can write the solution directly for all the question other than first and 9 because we apply u by v. Remaining and all we can apply the chain rule. See here, for example, 7th question is there. Can anyone tell that direct answer for this question? Direct answer. Square root will be 1 by 2 root e power root x. Okay, completed the derivative of root x. Then next inside e will be there, e power x form, e power root x is root x into power is root x. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. This is the direct answer for this question. Once again, what I have done here directly, I used root x formula. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. Then e power x formula. E power x is e power x. Then root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is direct answer. Okay, direct answer for 8th question. First log x, log derivative. Log is 1 by log x because in place of x log x is there, into. Next, second log x derivative, 1 by x. This is the answer. Here also same. Cos derivative minus sign of log x plus e power x into bracket derivative, like cos completed. Next log x is 1 by x plus e power x. These are the answers. These are the answers, right? But we have to write some proper steps so that see here, 7th question. I want to do the 7th. Let us consider y is equal to square root of e to the power of root x. This is the given function. Let us take 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Left side is dy by dx is equal to, right side is dy by dx of square root of e to the power of root x. First, it is in the form square root. Since we know that d by dx of square root of x formula is 1 by 2 root x. So it is in the form of square root x. So square root derivative is 1 by 2 root e to the power of root x into d by dx of e to the power of root x. What we are doing here, just we are writing like more number of steps. That's it. We are expanding, right? So e power root x is e power root x only. Again d by dx of root x. Since you have to write here d by dx of e power x is e power x, you must mention that formulas, right? Now finally root x, so 1 by 2 root e power root x. Into here we can write e power root x into 1 by 2 root x. So finally what is the answer? E to the power of root x by 2 into 2 4 square root of, shall I write like this, x e to the power of root x. Yes students, can I write here root, a root. I want to write first x into e to the power of root x is x e power root x. Okay student, what I have done here, simple. I differentiated first this root x, next e power x derivative, next to this root x derivative. That's it. Root e power x, root x. That's it. This is directly with the help of chain. Next, log of log x, you can try yourself because it's easy. Let us do that ninth question. Ninth one is, again let us take the given function as y is equal to cos x by log x. So I want to compare this with the u by v. U by v. Okay, so u by v means what is u then? Which implies here u is equal to cos x, which implies what is u dash? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Am I right? V is equal to log x, which implies v dash is equal to 1 by x. Okay, I compared with u by v, then clearly, since take dy by dx, differentiate on both sides with respect to x, d by dx of cos x by log x. This is in the form of derivative of u by v, d by dx of u by v. Since we know that the derivative of u by v formula, d by dx of u by v, or is d is simply d of u by v. D means derivative. Derivative of u by v is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Right, students? Now apply this formula here. We know everything, like we know that u value u dash, v value v dash value. Substitute all the values here. So left side is clearly dy by dx, right side is, first v is there. V, what is v? Log x. U dash already, what is u dash? This is v dash, this is u, this is v. So u dash value is minus sin x, minus u nothing but cos x, into v dash means 1 by x, whole divided by v square. What is v square? Log x, the whole square. This is v square. See what I have done here, I compared with u by v, after that u dash, v dash, then after I applied the quotient rule. You have to write one step here, like I written direct formula. Therefore, by division rule or else quotient rule, then you can write that formula. Let's simplify here. Right here, I want to do one thing. I want to take LCM x in numerator. X is LCM in numerator, then minus also common. Take minus common, then minus of x log x sin x plus cos x. All divided by log x square. Shall I write like this? Yes, we can write like this. This is the required dy by dx. Any doubts? If you're having any doubts, you can ask.
So you can scroll down.
Just see. Yes, clear? So all of you do the 10th one and tell me answer. What is the answer for this? How many of you practiced that continuity? Yeah, students, and the slip test portion is relations and the functions, determinant and relations and functions. Is it clear? Two chapters.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think this month you may have a 25th. Did you get dates regarding the slip test?
You got it, sir.
Okay, then fine. That is the first. So, what about the answer? differentiate cos, then dy dx of this both. So after completion of this, even you can try these questions also, B1, B2. For example, e power x cube is there, e power x cube. What to do? Take differentiate above equation with respect to x minus we get like this. Dy dx of y is equal to dy dx of x cube. X cube already we have done here in this question. That's it. So already I told you that all questions are easy. Derivative. This belongs to differentiation. Only you have to remember formulas. Continuity is not like that. We have to imagine like okay, when it is continuous. For example, greatest integer function is there. So where it is continuous, where it is not continuous, what is the domain, what is the range. Okay, based on that only we can easily check whether it is continuity or not. Yeah, yeah. D1, B2 students having any doubts? Can I do 10th one? We have just 3 minutes more. I'll do the 10th one. You can try to do first, second, third, fourth. Third already we have done. Second also I have given idea. So this is U by V formula like ninth question. So this is chain rule. First sign this tan inverse, then e power minus x. So 10th question is y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. It is very easy that you know already. So dy by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. Now cos will be minus sine of log x plus e power x as it is into dy by dx of log x plus e power x. First, just now I differentiated of cos alone. Since the bracket you have to write since cos x is equal to minus sine x. Like that you have to write each and every formula, right? Okay, minus sine of log x plus e power x, then into log x is 1 by x, e power x. This is the answer. Even if you want to take, you can take LCM here. When you take LCM, we are going to get minus of 1 plus x e power x all divided by x into sine of log x plus e power x. That's it. Okay. Clear?